What's up, guys? Just got home. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Can't complain. It's probably freezing for a lot of you in a lot of places, but here we are blessed until summer hits, and then we are not blessed. Well, we're still blessed, but I am going to start tearing that thing apart and get it ready for sandblasting and what else? Everything else. So let's do it. Alright, y'all. Got the swing arm off and everything. Now I'm gonna take the forks and front wheel off, forks off, and then from there, man, we're gonna have a bare frame. Take all this other little stuff off real quick, that spring, cut all this garbage off, and then sandblast this pig. I hope I can sandblast it before I gotta go to Oregon, but if not, you'll see it after. So let's keep rolling. Alright, y'all. Just got this thing really just down to the frame. I'm probably, I don't have a torch or a plasma or anything here, so I'll probably take it to work actually and get up in here. There's some places I am not going to be able to get with the grinder, and I ain't gonna sit there all day and grind at this thing, so I'll probably just take it to work with me Monday. Cut it down, but I'll probably sandblast it. I might sandblast it today. Let's see. Alright, so luckily the guy who sold the bike to me had rebuilt the forks, so they're pretty freaking good. So I am glad I don't have to, I mean, I've done seals on them plenty of times. I'm just glad I do not have to do that. So luckily, I'll just cover up all that, sandblast these, clean them up, paint them, and then probably gonna paint the frame and a lot of the accessories black because there's gonna be a bit of chrome on it. I'm not Mr. Chrome, I'm not Mr. like hey me really, honestly, but I'm gonna refinish these black, and there'll be a couple chrome accents on the bike, which I think will suit it the way it needs to. So I'm gonna do a couple other things and maybe get some sandblasting in. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Luckily, this kid's infatuated with cleaning my shop. How about that, huh? No, that's probably all I'm gonna do. I would love to sandblast it before I go on my trip, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. The thing about sandblasting is I gotta get all my stuff out. I gotta make a serious mess, and I prefer to do that one time on a full day. I didn't have all day today, and I'm gonna lose light here in about an hour and a half. So I do not want to continue to sandblast it and get halfway done, bring it all in, take it all out. So I'll have a full episode when I get back from Oregon on sandblasting. Sandblasting this thing. I got the wheels to sandblast. I've got the whole swing arm assembly. Got the forks and the frame and a couple other things I gotta sandblast and get ready. What are you doing there, Goofy? Bye. So yeah, I'll be up to date on that. I'll be on top of getting that sandblasting stuff done soon. So bear with us. I think we are going to get clean real quick and then mob to Walmart, run a couple other errands, and probably chill.